So like I was saying, you bang on that, bring it up here, and now you could see if you can see it there. That's the bracket that holds the roller. All right. So let's bang on the other side. Or actually, let's take out this roller real quick. There it is. All right. So what was happening basically? My particular roller, right, has these little things that go into the actual sliding glass door itself. I don't know if you can see that up there, but see, they go into those notches. So you just got to maneuver it out. So we do the same thing on the other side. Did this side. Give you a look-see. There we go. All right. Gotta take the roller out. Actually, I might be able to take everything out at one time. Let's see if I can do that. So, kind of gotta get it over here. There we go. See, this time I got everything. All right. Okay, so these are the rollers I bought. I got them from a company. It was a Swisco, SWISCO.com. To help you out if you have the same door as I do. 81-258. Actual item number. I got 4 because I actually got 1, 2, 3 sets of sliding glass doors in my house, and just if the others go bad, I have the part here already. So basically, this is what you get. So it's the actual roller. These rollers are plastic. I've heard that the plastic ones are better. First, we're going to get this piece into the bottom of the sliding glass doors in the notches. All right. There we go. Just got to put them in the notch first. Got them in the notch. Bring it up. Bam. And this is your new set screw, which if you pull, right, if you pull the set screw out of here, what happens is when you put this down, the set screw is supposed to go all the way through, and because of the head of the screw, it doesn't. So that set screw has to be in there. Let's go ahead and put it back. Just got to make sure that the clearance is right. Let's see if I can get this for you. See this little piece right there? That screw has to be on this side of it, because once you try to put this down and it's not, it's going to hit there. So the trick is to get that little flange into the 2 holes while all this is together. Simple. Let's see. Sorry for the heavy breathing, guys. There it is. Got it this time, baby. Let's spread this out a little bit. Probably another flathead would be ideal right here. There it is. Okay. See that? Roller goes in there. It's in place. Where it's supposed to be. Alright. Let's put the set screw back in. Alright, I think we're good. Bang this baby back and we're good. See how it is on this side. Alright guys, I think we are good to go. See that little separation right here? That'll go in with a new screw. Roller's there. Seems like it's going to roll well. With a set screw over here, right? This set screw will bring this roller down. See a better angle. Roll her down. Should be good to go. See what happens. Don't over tighten it. Alright. Check out our separation. Separation's gone. And let's see if our set screw works. You should see that. Roller start going down. Seems to be a little issue. The set screw's all the way in, and the roller's not rolling. So the roller's not going down, so let's see what it is.